pollution in the sea, a planet-wide problem that today threatens the entire ecosystem. One solution is provided by a pair of Italian companies, Garbage Service, an expert in preventing and cleaning up pollution at sea, and CPN Shipyard, a leading builder of working boats. A partnership that guarantees professional excellence, creativity, and decade-long experience. And all these strengths have been acquired working internationally, with a focus on AC, the Mediterranean, which serves as a waterway for 30% of the world's hydrocarbon traffic and 50% of cargoes that are hazardous to the environment. Every year, more than 200,000 ships sail the Mediterranean, illicitly dumping bilge water that, if taken together, could form a spill of 25,000 square kilometers, measuring a blight 4 times the size of Corsica. This is the situation addressed by the Pelikan project, an innovative response to pollution centered around the design, development, and construction of a small working ship, namely the Pelikan, a boat that offers extremely low environmental impact and highly effective performance when it comes to collecting floating and semi-submerged solid waste, as well as oily deposits in areas of seawater, lakes, and rivers. The eco-compatible vessel, operated by a crew of 2, is made in large part from recycled aluminium, accounting for the equivalent of more than 220,000 soft drink cans. While photovoltaic panels installed on the roof of the cabin provide energy for onboard operations, and further functions are made possible by a special biodegradable vegetable-based hydraulic fluid, Matral By. But these are not the only outstanding features of this boat, as its limited size makes it rapidly transportable to the bodies of water where it is called on to operate. The vessel is also highly maneuverable, to the point where it can spin around on its own axis, making for agile operation even in extremely restricted spaces. The key strength of this 100% made in Italy project, however, is the Pelikan's immense operating effectiveness and efficiency when it comes to collecting solid and liquid wastes inside ports and bodies of water that need to be cleaned. The Pelikan captures solid waste with the 2 pincers that make up its specially designed bow. Once a hydraulic command, controlled from the cabin, opens the pincers, the boat takes advantage of the intake flow, created by its propeller, to collect floating and semi-submerged waste, which it then stores in a bin. Once the boat docks, a convenient hydraulic command handles the lifting and emptying of the bin, making for rapid storage of the waste material collected from the water in a land-based facility, from which the waste can be taken away for recycling or disposal. When it comes to collecting oily liquid waste floating on the surface, a specially designed receptacle utilizes a spill system. As for dealing with small patches of oily liquid waste, the boat comes with arms equipped with nozzles that can spray a liquid to disperse the waste, making it particularly well suited to restoring normal conditions in waters subject to eutrophication. One last feature is the boat's firefighting capacity. The Pelikan is equipped with a powerful motorized pump circuit, which draws in large quantities of water that can then be directed in a high-pressure stream at the area of the fire, thanks to the large nozzle mounted towards the stern. In short, the Pelikan is a versatile, one-of-its-kind vessel that can be built to meet the specific demands of the ports and docks where it is likely to operate. And apart from the custom tailoring of the boat, training is available for the crews and personnel assigned to deal with environmental problems. Not only with respect to the operation of the boat, but also in the form of innovative know-how pertinent to ecological shipbuilding and to the marine ecology sector in general. With all it can do, the Pelikan project amounts to a fully fledged system for meeting the increasingly pressing need to defend and protect the marine environment.